What's up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. On today's episode, we were going to be putting in the Maxima's rear airbag coilover system, and I took the carpet out of that side, which is sitting right here. But upon taking it out, I saw that we have some serious rust happening right here. It's completely separated from the wheel well, so I'm gonna try to patch in a new piece from some spare metal that I got, and we're gonna try to bend it over this and tab it into there. So hopefully it turns out better, and well, it'll obviously be better. And then there's a big hole down there too, so yeah, that'll be fun. Okay, it's welded in there. Not the best, you know, but it is what it is. At least it's solid. So now I'm just gonna throw a little paint on her, and we'll continue on. I doubt, by the looks of how bad this is, I don't know if we're gonna put the airbag suspension in this Maxima. We might be just in the ballpark for a new Maxima here this year. I'll keep my eye out for one. Really, I just need a good shell. This thing's been such a great car. Definitely want another one, but we're done sinking big money into it and throwing nice things at it, I should say, until we get another donor body, because she's got some rust that obviously that I was fixing there, but hey, Peaches. Yeah, but we got rust in other spots, like, I don't know if it'll be able to see it, but it's in the frame rail itself is pretty bad. So yeah, it's just starting to come through everywhere. Rust has gotten to her, but I'll keep driving her until she dies, or until the, you know, suspension collapses or whatever. But let's get that painted up and we'll finish. Okay, metal's all tabbed in. She's been repainted, just been letting it dry here for a while. It is really freaking cold out. It's supposed to get snow in the forecast this week, so that sucks. But I think for the hole down at the bottom, but I'll probably get to that this summer. I'll have to like actually cut the thing out. So for now, I know people hate it and it's probably the worst thing to do, but I don't want to get so much water flying directly into my trunk. So for now, I'm just gonna fill foam the hole just a little bit, so that way water's not getting into that hole right there. So yeah, look at, there's some little bit of paint coming out of that hole. That's how bad that hole is. So we're gonna patch that hole up and call that good. This will probably be a two-part thing. I'll label this as Maxima Rust Part 1, I guess. But thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. We'll get to that next side on the next episode.